Ever feel like you're invisible? Like no matter what you do, people just don't seem to notice or respect you? What if I told you there's one simple thing you can do that will completely change how people treat you? And no, it's not about being rich, famous, or having a six-pack. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly what it is and how you can start doing it today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that can literally transform your relationships, your confidence, and even the way strangers interact with you. It's all about how you carry yourself. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, this one shift can make all the difference. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to start commanding respect and attention without saying a word. Step 1. The power of posture. Let's start with something you've probably heard before but might be ignoring: your posture. Think about it. When you see someone slouching versus someone standing tall, who do you naturally respect more? It's not just about looking confident, it's about feeling confident. Here's a quick story. Remember Goku from Dragon Ball Z? Yeah, the guy who literally carries the weight of the world on his shoulders, but even when he's exhausted, he stands tall. Why? Because he knows his presence matters. Actionable takeaway. Stand up straight, pull your shoulders back, and keep your head high. Do this for just 30 seconds right now. Feel the difference? That's your superpower starting to kick in. Step 2. Eye contact, the secret weapon. Now, let's talk about eye contact. This one's a game changer. Have you ever had a conversation with someone who couldn't look you in the eye? It feels awkward, right? On the flip side, when someone holds your gaze, it's like they're saying, "I see you, and I'm here." Think of it like this. In Naruto, when Naruto faces off with Sasuke, their eye contact says more than any words could. It's intense, it's powerful, and it commands respect. Actionable takeaway. Practice holding eye contact for 2 to 3 seconds longer than you normally would. It's subtle, but it sends a strong message. I'm confident, and I'm present. Step 3. The energy you radiate. Here's the thing. People don't just respond to what they see, they respond to the energy you give off. Ever walked into a room and immediately felt the vibe shift? That's energy at work. Let me break it down. Imagine you're Luffy from One Piece. He doesn't need to try hard to get people's attention. His energy is just magnetic. He's relaxed, he's himself, and people are drawn to that. Actionable takeaway. Before you walk into a room, take a deep breath and remind yourself, I belong here. Your energy will naturally shift, and people will notice. Step 4. The power of silence. Okay, here's a pro tip. Stop over-explaining yourself. Seriously, the more you talk, the less people listen. Silence is powerful. It shows you're in control. Think about Levi from Attack on Titan. He doesn't waste words, but when he speaks, everyone listens. Why? Because his silence commands respect. Actionable takeaway. Next time you're in a conversation, pause before responding. Let the silence do the talking. You'll be amazed at how people lean in to hear what you have to say. All right, let's recap. Stand tall, hold eye contact, radiate confidence, and embrace the power of silence. Do these things consistently and watch how people start treating you differently. Remember, this isn't about changing who you are. It's about showing up as the best version of yourself. You've got this. If this video helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Oh, and if you want to take your confidence to the next level, check out this video next. Until then, stand tall, own your space, and I'll see you in the next one.